Hey everyone, glad you could find my vlogging channel. I decided to make it because Instagram just wasn't enough anymore. I wanted to share what I do with my car, and I really like making videos. I'm probably done with my gaming channel, so if you guys are from there, I'm glad you could make it. Yeah, I just wanted to make an intro here because when I started it in the garage, I was in my pajamas and I just didn't do a good job. So hope you guys enjoy this channel, and here's the video. I'm starting off a vlogging channel in pajamas. I'm just gonna try to clean up my RS a little bit. I had a black hood on and a red grill because I lost my old one. Here's the old carbon fiber hood. It's been on here for probably over a year. I'm gonna try to flip this over real quick. It might be kind of hard to see right now, but it's the... I went to go get some parts for this car, the headlights and that wing that I have that I still haven't painted yet. I got from a guy. He lived quite a while away from me, but he gave me this hood for free because he couldn't find anybody that, you know, like these cars are pretty rare, so he could never find anybody to buy it from him. So I picked it up for free, slapped it on there, and I've been driving around like that for a long time. I tried to fix it up because it's got a ton of little scratches in it. They're really deep. Tried to sand it down and clear coat it, but it just didn't really work.
Boss. Painting time.
You can still tell it's got a bunch of scratches in it and cracks, because that's just how it was when I got it. Just gotta let it sit overnight, and then in the morning I'm going to wet sand it with some probably 3000 grit.
We done! And damn! Whoa! Is that a Supra? Whoa! Whoa! It's a Supra, like, look! Oh! Is that a Supra? Can't get it off. Turn it off! Just for the video, I'm really disappointed in you.
So I took it off. I'm trying to clean up the look of the car. Yeah. So now it's just got the white hood on it, and has the red grille still and the red wheels. I picked up the ABW fender flares, but I had some fat guys in the back and it broke. Show you that actually. Yeah. These ones on the back wheels. Where's the brake? Right here. Oh, that's not good. Alright, right here. Right there, the fiberglass broke and tore up my tires a little bit. My tire. That's fine, I can fix that. And yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is sand this down and then paint it white. I lost my other one because, oh my god. I lost my other one. It fell off while I was on the loop with the boys driving around. I forgot to put it in there right, so yep, just gonna sand this down in my makeshift little sanding fucking nasty couch. Yeah, I lost the sandpaper. I just moved out and I'm at my own place now, and sadly, a lot of my shit is missing. And the lowest grit that I have is 800. So we'll see. There's just like, there's a lot of like little chips in it and whatever, but I don't know. I just want to scuff it up so the paint will actually stick. I might be selling all these old parts once I get the, I'm gonna try to go, I don't know, I kind of want to get the 60mm ABW wide body 22B kit someday, so I'm not too worried about what this looks like because I'm gonna probably get rid of it eventually because the bumper on the 22B has a built-in grill anyways. Okay, I can't sand with one hand, so I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright, got it all cleaned, and now I just gotta mask it off, but luckily I have power so I can just do this. Okay, yeah, that actually wasn't as smooth as that looked. I was looking for the tape for about 10 minutes, and then I was like, can't find it anywhere. I closed it in the hood. It was sitting right there, in there. I found it. Yeah, but actually, I also, while I opened that, there were some things, right, like they had stock that closed these up in like the hood scoop and everything. And I just took those off, and then I took all the stupid, that stuff off too, because that stuff is garbage. But yeah, these are the things that plug up the hood scoop and all those, and like, yeah, they're just asking you to take them off, you know? So I did. Yeah, I'm gonna go spray this real quick, and then I'll show you. Got 3 empty cans of white paint from when I tried to paint this. Well, not tried, I did. I bought it with no paint on it at all. Yeah. Well, this whole side here had no paint on it. The whole rear had no paint on it. This side needs a new door, and the roof was all rusted, and I painted that too.
That was a lot of work. I didn't show all of it, but because my SD card's actually running out a little bit too. I'll let me fold this in.
So I have this left over, and I'm gonna see if there's anything left in there to paint this grill with. All right, I got it painted. And just a tip: do not try to squeeze paint out of empty cans, because it's really annoying. So, like I'd be going over it, and then nothing would come out, and all of a sudden it would just come out nicely, and then it would come out like shitty. So like there's kind of like a line here, where it's like thicker because it started squirting out all of a sudden. But luckily I don't really care. It doesn't look too bad. Once you're like more than 6 inches away, it doesn't look too bad. I really care. I could knock it down with some sandpaper, then clear coat it, but I don't. It looks fine. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, then take off the masking stuff and show you guys what it looks like on the car. Alright, it turned out alright. Only thing is, right here I kind of like did the tape weird. I didn't do one big piece, so where that white is, it should be like that all the way across, but it wasn't. So when it's just that part right there, it really stands out. I don't know, I could probably get like a paint marker or something and go in there, but it's not a big deal. And then yeah, so like right here, if you can see it, it's a little bit higher right there. I might sand it down once it dries and clear coat it, or I might not, I don't know. Okay, so while this is drying, I'm gonna try something I've never done before. Riveting. So I can put these back on. Cause yeah, like I said earlier, the one in the back broke, and the self-tapping screws that I was using before were falling out, cause if you put them too tight, they just kind of round out and they fall out. So I'm gonna be doing it something more permanent and rivet them in. And I probably shouldn't do this right now because this car needs paint, and I am probably gonna have to take those off before painting it. So this probably isn't a good idea. I wanted to do riv nuts, but I don't have that right now, and I'm bored, so I'm gonna do it anyways. So if I want to take them out ever again, I'm gonna have to drill them out, and it's gonna be really, really shitty. We gotta have something to do, right? Yeah, I don't know. Wish me luck. I'll show you guys though. I'm losing daylight, but the way these work is you just put like this stem part of it in the gun, and then yeah, it holds it in place. And then all I gotta do is come over to the car. I put them back in there with the self tappers just for now to hold it right where I want it, and then I should be able to just put this through the hole and it'll pull them together. All right, I am all done with this side. It all went smoothly. You said to pump it a couple more times for it to. Okay, that one doesn't look like it's that far in. Oh my god. Okay, so these two missed the hole. So they kind of just compressed themselves on the opposite side without going in. That's how they work. Which is sad, but that's fine. It's on there. So I might just have to drill those out. That's what you get, I guess. This tool's pretty old. Right, while I was at it, I put the grill in too. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, goddamn. It only looks kinda bad. It's alright. Like I said, you can really see right there where the paint is over the spot where the other paint is not. But yeah, I mean, the car's a lot cleaner now. It looked race car before. I'll get used to it. It's nice now. I didn't think about this before, but I'm actually still working on I'm doing some rust work here. I just put tape over it because I ran out of the paint, of course. And so it's bare metal under there, but there's more that I need to get that's under this bumper. And I hate taking these bumpers off, so I haven't done it yet. So I didn't even think about how lucky I am that this one actually did not go in, because if that went in, the bumper, I would not be able to get it off, and that would suck. I'd have to drill it all out, and then I still have to drill it out so I can actually put a good one in. But I gotta take this bumper off so I can fix some rust before this thing gets paint. So I think that'll do it. I might just wing the crappy screws that might fall out while I'm driving for now. But yeah, she's looking good, nice and clean.
Hey guys, thanks for finishing my first video. Make sure to go hit me up in the comments if you guys have any questions or see something that you want. I'll make sure to always answer those. Because it's annoying having a car that not a lot of people have and seeing something you want and them just not answering you. So I want to make sure that I always do that. Just want to thank you guys for finding my channel. That's all I really want to say. These first few videos are just going to be cosmetic stuff, things I've always wanted to fix. I'm going to be going into bigger things. I've got an engine swap coming up soon. That should be a lot of fun. And then, yeah, you guys have a great day. Thanks.